Hi guys, I'm going to see if I can remake one of my styrofoam plate gliders. These are one of the first things I made on YouTube back in 2013, and I was trying this one earlier today and it still flies fine, even though it's a bit buckled on the back here. But this time I'm going to see if I can make it canard style, so the wings, main wings at the back and a small lifting area at the front. I've had a search and I found a coffee stirrer that looks pretty well straight. I had quite a few, but most of them have got nasty curves on them, but this one doesn't look too bad, so I think that one will do. Looks like it's the same length as the one that I used back then. It more or less designed itself. The dimensions are the maximum flat area or flat surface in the middle of the plate. So these plates have been in my cupboard for years too, probably since 2013, because I bought several packs of them. I think they were £1 for a pack or something like that, and used them in quite a few different projects. I made hovercraft with them as well. So it's practically flat. There's a little bit of a indentation there. And so I remember what I did was I cut the centre out and then started working out what I could do with it. Because it's easier to draw on it if you haven't got the edges sticking up. Without the squeaky noise. Yeah, so we're going to need at least 2 of them, aren't we? Right, so a ruler would be handy. Right across the middle, that's about 6.5 inches, but we can't use it right across the middle because we need to be able to have a flat edge. What have we got there? That's about 2.5 inches, the existing wing. So if we just come straight across, I don't know, about there somewhere. It'd be handy if I had a right angle. That should give me a bit of a help. Okay, so come up there 2.5 inches. Look at that, that's 2.5 inches there. Okay, so that's our first wing. And if we position that something like the same, I'm thinking about it, I ought to turn this one over so that they're matching. Okay, they should be the same size now. And they've both got that little indentation on the top. And the other thing I did was measured back about, let's have a look, 3/4 of an inch. Alright, 3/4 of an inch back from the leading edge. There. 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 That'll be the fold for our airfoil. Okay, so that's our airfoil. We need to trim just a tiny bit out of the centre there so we can actually curve it up. Could have done this with a bit of sandpaper. Yeah, that'll give us our dihedral. And this time we're sticking it on this way round. Now we're going to give it any angle of attack. We'll try and keep it straight. Probably generous, isn't it? But we'll go with that. Right, hot glue gun. Let that cool down, and I'll do the one on the other side. Now, do we need a rudder at the back? And how big shall I make the front section? Let's just go for a very rough guess. We'll use the width of my ruler, which is a bit over 1 inch. And how long can we make it? The old one. Oh, the old one was 5 inches. We pushed to get 5 inches out of that. Looks a little bit big actually, but we'll try it just like that. Right, we're not looking to catch any thermals and circle, I just want it to fly straight in my kitchen. So that's about it. Might need to add some trim tabs to it, but we'll let that cool down and see how we go. It tended to roll over a bit, so what I've done is I've given it polyhedral. And I've also given the nose section a bit of dihedral. Well, it flies and it's a canard. Haven't hit the camera with it yet, but we've come pretty close. So that'll do. Might try it outside sometime, but not at the moment. It's 11 o'clock at night.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.